Hey guys, welcome back. This is Na here. Today I'm showing you how to make authentic Ghanaian dried chili sauce, which is a condiment. And you're gonna need a handful of dried chilies. You add a bit of water in an Asanka. So the Asanka helps with the grinding process and it gives it a beautiful flavor as well. And do add a bit of rock salt. The rock salt helps with the grinding with the tapoli, as you can see. And you're going to be twisting your arms, grinding gradually through the process, breaking down the chilies into little bits, and add about half onion. So half red onion is perfect for this recipe. And you're going to grind slowly and gradually, adding a bit of water along the way. So that helps with the grinding process. And 1.5 sized red tomato is perfect for this recipe. Not too much tomato, or else you're going to lose the spiciness and the flavor that you are looking for. So gradually grind through, and within less than 10 minutes you should have your perfectly smooth dried chili sauce, which acts as a condiment. So it's a condiment for us to enjoy with some avocado, some ganfanti kenke banku or gan kenke. Trust me, this pepper is the bomb. For me, it's better than even the fresh chili. If you've tried this before, let me know. Add some corned beef or some sardine on the side as well. Hey, what about some fried egg? Yeah, I'm sure you're already salivating, right? So yeah, enjoyed this with my mom. This was so delicious. We had a good time, a good lunch. Thank you guys so much for watching, and do follow me for more. Follow me on TikTok and do subscribe to my YouTube channel at Na Oyo Kwati. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.